Hello everyone, I am Nitish Kumar Rana, and in this video I will be designing a building and assigning it load, seismic load, and run analysis for that. So let's begin. First of all, we go to define menu, then load pattern. Here you can see that we are not able to make any change as this building model is locked. So we will first unlock this model. Just from here. Now for defining seismic load, we will go to define menu, load pattern, and here I will add seismic load. Load type from this drop down list, I will select seismic, and auto lateral load option, here I will select IS 1893 2000. Now I will add this load. Now I will modify this seismic load according to our location of this building, which is Bangalore. So we will go to modify lateral load option. Here the seismic load will be acting in X and Y direction only. Centricity is used for a particular location. So we will select only X and Y direction. As Bangalore falls in zone 2, so the seismic zone factor will be 0.1. We are designing this building for a residential purpose. So importance factor will be 1 according to IS code, and we are assuming that soil is of medium type, so the soil type will be 2. Response reduction factor for an ordinary reinforced concrete building is 3, so we will put 3 here. Now we will click on OK. Now the lateral load is modified, lateral seismic load is modified. We will click on OK again. Now we will see the different load combinations option from define menu. Combination. You can see different load combinations option are available here. If these are not available here, then we have to add it from this button, add default design combos, which we don't have to do as these combinations are already here. Now we'll click on OK. Now we will analyze this building. For that we will go to analyze. We will choose set load case to run, as we are not going to analyze this for wind load. So we will go to select wind load and click on run/do not run case. Now you can see there will be no analysis for wind load. Now we will run the analysis. The software is running analysis in this building model. Deformed shape is shown in 3D tab. And as we move cursor on different element of this building, it shows the displacement of that element. Now we will check the design of this building. For that we go to design new, and that concrete frame design. We'll make sure that the preference is IS according to IS code 456/2000. Then we'll click on OK. It's all right. Now we will start design check. For that we will go to design menu, then concrete frame design, and then we will start design check. The software is performing design check. wait few minutes. Oh, it's already done. The software shows that six concrete frame members are failing, and it's asking for permission to reiterate those members from auto select option. So I will go with yes. The software will automatically select the best member, and then it will perform this design check again. It's performing analysis. Now analysis has been completed. Now it will start design check. It is performing design check right now. Shows that six concrete frame are again failing and asking permission to reiterate those analysis and design. Again, it will choose another higher dimension members from auto select option and analyze and check the design. For now, I am clicking on no, but we have to perform this until and unless a suitable members are selected. We can get the report of this project from this Model Explorer tab, report option. Now we will double click on project report. The software will automatically prepare a project report of this building design. It will take some time to prepare the report. It's taking longer than I expected. The project report has been prepared and it is of 787 pages, which is too long. We can make a summarized report here and option is available. For that, we have to click on summary report in the report option. The software will produce a summary report. And the summary report is prepared in 39 pages, which is easy to go through. Now we will analyze this building according to response spectrum function. For that, we have to define response spectrum function first. We will go to define menu and then function. Now we will choose response spectrum. Here, this we will choose IS 1893 2000, and we will add a new function. We will name the function as response, and we will set the zone factor as 0.1, and then we'll click on OK. The function has been defined. Now let's click on OK again. We will now set the load case according to response spectrum factor function. For that, we will go to define menu, then we will go to load case. We will click on add new case option. We cannot add another load case. For that, we have to delete one of the load. So we will go back and delete one of the load. We are not analyzing this building for wind load, so I will delete wind load. First of all, I have to unlock this model. Now as the wind load is deleted, now we can add load case for response spectrum. We will go to define menu again and then load case. Now we will click on add new case. Here we will type the name of load case, which is a response spectrum. We will choose the load case type as from drop down list response spectrum. Now we will add the load type, applied load type. The load type name is U1. Function will be response spectrum, and the scale factor is calculated by the formula I multiplied with G divided by 2 times of response reduction factor, which I have calculated earlier, which is 1633.5. We will again add load for y direction and we will name it as U2. The function will be response spectrum. Scale factor will be same as above. Now we will click on OK. We will click on OK again. Now we will start analysis for this building. We will go to analyze menu and then set load cases to run. Here you can see the action for dead load and live load is run, which we do not have to. We will change this action run to do not run. Now we will run analysis on this building model. The software will take some time to analyze this building model. The analysis of this building is complete, and the deformed shape is shown in 3D tab. As we move cursor in deformed set element, we can see the displacement of each element. Now we will start design check for this building model. For that we will go to design menu, concrete frame design, and then start design check. Software will take some time to design the building model. Sorry, check the building model. The software shows that 149 concrete frame member has failed, and it is asking for permission for reiteration of analysis and design. I will go with yes. The software will automatically choose a frame of higher dimension, and it will analyze and check the design. The analysis part has been completed. Now the software will run design check. The software shows that 58 concrete frame member are again failing. For now, I am going with no, but we have to continue it unless all members pass this check. You can see the result here. The project report can be prepared by this software, and we can get it from this Model Explorer tab in report menu. By double clicking on project report, the software will automatically prepare a report of this project. It will take some time as the report is too long. The project report has been prepared for this building. We can also get a summarized report from the option summary report. A summarized report has been prepared here. We cannot print this report as this software is evaluation version. So for now, we will leave it here. Now we will do the seismic analysis of this building based on time history method. For that, we have to define a time history function. We'll go to define menu, then function, then time history. We have to import a file, so we will choose from file, and then we will click on add new function. We'll name this function as time history. Number of points per line will be 1, and we will change the format to from free to fixed format. Now we will click on OK. click on OK again. One thing I have missed, which is defining the seismic design, seismic load. We'll go to load pattern, then in seismic load, we'll modify it for time history function. In this, only direction which is here in case of time history function, we will only analyzing in x direction, so y direction will not be selected here. Rest all the data will remain same, so we will click OK and OK again. We will again go to define menu, then load cases. Here we will define a new load case. For that we have to remove response spectrum, as maximum number of load can be defined are already existing. Now we will add a new case. Here the load case will be time history. Load case type will be time history. We'll add the load. Load pattern will be acceleration. Load function will be time history function. Scale factor will be same as we have calculated earlier. We don't have to add another load because the analysis will be only in x direction. Now we will click on OK. We will click on OK again to exit this load case option. Now we will start analysis of this building model. For that we will go to analyze menu, set load case to run. We do not have run analysis for dead and live load, so it is already, its action will not be taken, as there is do not run. Now we will start analysis by clicking run now. The software will start analyzing the model. It will take some time in analysis. The reform shape will be shown in 3D tab, as you can see. As we move further on the different element of this building model, you can see the displacement of those models, those elements. Now we will run design check for this building model. We will go to design, then concrete frame design, and then start design check. The software will check the design of this building. It's showing that 166 concrete frame member are failed. It's asking permission to reiterate analysis and design. We'll go with yes. The analysis part of this building model is completed. Now the software is running design check. It shows that 30 concrete frame are failing and asking permission to reiterate analysis. For now, I will go with no, but we have to do this until and unless all the frames are passed. The analysis of this building model is completed and we can get the project report from the report option. On double clicking on project report, the software will start preparing a report of this project. The software has prepared a report of this project. It shows about different member of this building. We can also get a summarized report. For that, we have to click on summary report. And here this summary report is prepared. That is all from my side.